In this video, I'll demonstrate how to buy shares of LeonaBio Inc, a biotechnology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LONA. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. Please do your own research. To trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LONA to find the company listing. Select the LeonaBio Inc result on NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the asset page to view a short company summary and the price chart for context. Confirm the listing shows NASDAQ and the ticker LONA, so you are viewing the right stock. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, and carefully review the order details and any fees before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once the order fills, the new position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the platform example shown here.